In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wix Chat to your site. To get started, head over to your site's dashboard in Wix. This is the main control center where you manage your website settings, design, apps, and other important features. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Apps. This section is where you can manage any tools or integrations connected to your website, and it's also where you can discover new features to improve how your site works for visitors. After that, click on App Market. The App Market is basically Wix's built-in library of apps and add-ons, and it gives you access to both Wix tools and third-party integrations. Since we want to add live chat functionality to the website, this is where you'll find it. When the App Market opens, go to the search bar and type in Wix Chat. Searching directly for the app is the fastest way to find the exact tool you need, especially if there are lots of app suggestions showing on the page. Once the results appear, select the available Wix Chat app from the list. Make sure you're choosing the official option so you can access the proper chat features designed to work smoothly with your Wix site. Next, click Add to Site. Wix will then begin installing the chat app onto your website. This process is usually very quick, and once it's added, the chat feature becomes part of your site setup. That means visitors will be able to use the chat widget to reach out, ask questions, and communicate with you more easily while browsing your pages. And that's it. Wix Chat has now been added to your site. As a quick tip, after installing it, it's a good idea to review the chat settings in your dashboard so you can make sure the appearance and behavior match your website style and your communication preferences. For example, you may want to check when the chat is visible and how it appears to visitors. Even though the installation itself is simple, taking a moment to confirm everything looks right can help create a better experience for anyone visiting your site. That's the full process for adding Wix Chat to your Wix website. Follow these steps, and you'll have your chat feature up and running.